Hi, my name is Esther Martinez. I'm the CEO of People Matters, and I thought of sending this little video. I think there were a lot of questions related to our BNext Design Thinking and Agile for HR Teams program, and this video is just to give you an overview of what will we cover in the program. So remember, the program is starting on 19th of April, and it's really addressed to the little more senior part of our HR community to enable you to really think about complex problems that we need to think about, and also how we may use design thinking and agile as approaches, not just methodologies, but approaches to solve them. So what the cohort program is going to cover, one is the Kinevin framework and really embracing complexity and look at different problems within the organization and how we may use different approaches to solve different problems. So that's going to be one part of the program. After that, we're going to go deeper into the agile mindset. So we're going to talk about accepting and embracing complexity. We're going to talk about the importance of self-learning teams and the importance of leaders embracing that agile values and agile principles to make sure that they are actually enabling teams and building trust and equal voice in their organization and their teams to be able to really solve complex problems and iterate and experiment as we go forward. So that's a very important component of the program. We're going to introduce you to the Agile Onion, which looks at mindsets, values, principles, methodologies, practices, and tools. So we're going to go through all of it in detail. But most importantly, we're going to invite you to think about not just doing Agile, which is the methods and the tools, but also about being Agile and embracing Agile. We're going to talk about experimentative and iterative strategy, and we're going to also focus on the role of failure, or we may call it the role of making meaning. And the role of learning in that process of experimentation. So, of course, we are also going to cover and deep dive into the methodologies and frameworks of design thinking, but not only design thinking, but also Kanban and Scrum as a tool set. The end in mind of the program is to enable you with all the different layers of agility, from the mindset needed, from the structural changes needed from teams to be agile, to some of the methodologies that we may invite you to consider in that journey to turn you and your team into agile. We're going to have week one, our onboarding session for all our leaders around the world. Week two, we'll have a design thinking masterclass with Matt Cressy, who is the founder, director, integrated design and management at MIT. Week two, we will be hosting another masterclass. So this program has actually two masterclasses, one on creative leadership and one as well on Scrum and how we may use Scrum and Kanban as well. So this is going to be the two master classes. And week four, we're going to invite you again to come for a live session with all the learners as a closing session. So it's a 4-week. It probably requires around 2 to 3 hours a week of work on the platform over and above the live sessions that will happen every week to make sure that all the learners are moving and advancing together. So I'm very, very excited. We also have Simon Powers, CEO and founder of Adventures with Agile, as one of our key voices in the program. And you will see him in a lot of the video content available on the platform. And we have the privilege to have Dave Snowden as well. He's the founder and chief scientific officer of Cognitive Edge, and also the creator of the Kinevin framework. So as you can see, very diverse leaders are going to be available for us for 4 weeks to help us move on that journey of being more and more agile and using tools like Agile, Scrum, design thinking to be more effective in solving problems, complex problems in our organization. I'm personally looking forward meeting you all on 19th of April, and see you very soon in the BNext platform.